Greetings of the day. My name is Bhavesh Padmashali. I am currently pursuing my hotel management degree course from Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. Now I am going to speak on the country Switzerland. Switzerland is a landlocked country located in Central Europe. It has border with France to the west, Italy to the south, Australia and Liechtenstein to the east, and Germany to the north. The climate is temperate but varies with the altitude. Switzerland has cold, cloudy, rainy, and snowy winters, and cool to warm, cloudy, humid summers with occasional stars. Switzerland is known for its mountains, but also it has a central plateau of rolling hills, plains, and large lakes. Flag of Switzerland. The flag of Switzerland displays a white cross in the center of square red field. The white cross is also known as the Swiss cross. Throughout its history, the Swiss flag has always had one feature that distinguishes it from other national flags. It is square, not rectangular. Coming to the capital, Bern is the capital of Switzerland, referred as the federal city with the population of all about 1,44,000 people. Bern is the fifth most populous city in the Switzerland. The official currency of Switzerland is Swiss franc. The value of Indian rupee of Swiss currency is 81.48 rupees. The four national languages of Switzerland are German, French, Italian, and Romansh. German, French, Italian maintain equal status as of official language at the national level with the federal administration of the Swiss Confederation, while Romansh is used in dealing with people who speak it. In some situations, Latin is used, particularly as single language, to denote the country. Facts about Switzerland. Switzerland has more than 7,000 lakes. Second, 25% of its population is foreign. Third, it has 208 mountains and highest peaks in Europe. Coming to the fourth, Swiss meat is among the most expensive meat in the world. Coming to the major cities of Switzerland. The three major cities of Switzerland are Zurich, Geneva, and Bern. Zurich is the financial capital of Switzerland. Geneva is Switzerland's most multicultural city and also a part of hometown to the headquarters of United Nations. Bern, it is an UNESCO World Heritage Site with attraction of beer park, museum, gardens, and old towns. Five tourist destinations of Switzerland are Matterhorn, Jungfraujoch, Interlaken, Lake Geneva, Swiss National Park. The Matterhorn. The Matterhorn is a Switzerland iconic pointed peak is one of the highest mountain in the Alps. On the border with Italy, this legendary peak rises 4,478 meters and its four steep faces lie in the direction of the compass point. Thousands of experienced climbers come here each summer. Second, Jungfraujoch. It is one of the most popular things to do in the beautiful Bernese Oberland is a train journey to Jungfraujoch, the longest glacier in Europe. The Great Alast Glacier begins at Jungfraujoch and is an UNESCO World Heritage Site. Interlaken. Interlaken lies between the Lake Thun to the west and Lake Brenz to the east. Interlaken is one of the Switzerland's most popular summer holiday resort. Fourth, Lake Geneva. Lake Geneva is Europe's largest alpine lake, straddles the Swiss-French border and laps at the shores of some of Switzerland's most popular cities. Fifth, Swiss National Park. Founded in 1940, Swiss National Park in the Engadine Valley is the oldest reserve in the Alps. The park sits right on the border with Italy and encompasses more than 170 square kilometers of flowers dotted hollows, fast flowing rivers, and limestone cracks. The scenery is especially dramatic in winter when the forest mountains are covered in blanket of snow. Five famous dishes of Switzerland are Swiss fondue, second raclette, third rosti, fourth rolenta, and the fifth is saffron risotto. This is all about Switzerland. Thank you.